to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's hip hop. So the title of the song is called Stolen by Chris Brown and I don't know. So let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna open our legs. Then first, we're gonna smile. She's recording already. Alright, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7. So many X's. Alright, so 5, 6, 7. Lift on 8. We do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly 1, 2, tap on 3 until there. So 5, 6, maybe continuously 2 8s. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't flip, just 4, 5, 6, and 7. This one going up. 8, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Shoulder 3 and the 4. Cross 5, head down 5, look up on 6, 7, and 8. Yes. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Head down 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next. I need to move back because the aircon is so strong. So 7, 8. Chest 1, 2. Drop on 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, the 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the beginning first. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Lift 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Next. 7, 8. This is fast. Single count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. Simple step. But straight counting. No end, no half count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's go on. From here. 7, 8. 1, 2. So put your weight on your right legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Careful to this one. Lift on 5 and 6. Drop on 7, 8. Okay? Like you want to be weak. Yes. So from here. 7, 8. Chest. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Continue. 7 and 8. Simply step up. 7, 8. 1, 2. Head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for this one, you can use your head. 7 and 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2. Hit on 3, 4. So remember, you move on 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step back, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's try first from the beginning. Are you ready? Boop boop, ding ding, ping ping, ug ug. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Lift 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, chest. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8. Yes. Let's always go here. I cannot move. Okay. Next. So 7, 8. Shoulder 1, 2. Then you should left punch to turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that one? One more time. 6, 7. So 7, 8. 1, 2. Punch 3, 4. Oh, be careful. 3, 4. Then right 5, including your head. 5. Left on 6. Isolation on 7 and 8. Let's continue. Last 8. Go step 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on 5 and 6. Double chest, 7, 8. Then for this one you smile. Yes. Are you okay? Be careful when you try. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, step your left first before you push. You do the kung fu. 4, 5, and 6 and 7, 8. Like taking picture in the school. Alright, good job. Let's do everything from the beginning. Non-stop, slow. Okay? Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. And smile. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Also please watch some of our dance tutorial and dance video. We have so many videos together with the old rainbow and the new rainbow team. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.